Imagine a world where life-saving medicine arrives by air in just minutes, even to the most remote villages. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. It's happening right now, thanks to Zipline. Founded in 2014, Zipline is a logistics company using autonomous drone to deliver medical supplies and critical goods in hard-to-reach areas, starting with Rwanda, then expanded across Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, and now in the United States and Japan. In many parts of the world, a simple vaccine, a bag of blood, or life-saving insulin can take hours, even days to reach rural clinics. Roads are unreliable, supply chains are broken, but Zipline's solution is elegant. Fly over the traffic. Here's how it works. At a Zipline distribution hub, workers pack orders such as blood, vaccine, medicine into small containers with a parachute. A fixed-wing drone is loaded with a package, launched via a catapult, and navigates autonomously to its destination using a GPS. When it gets near the delivery point, the drone drops the package by parachute precisely and safely and flies back to the base. It's like Amazon Prime for rural healthcare, but with wings. Zipline has completed over 1 million deliveries, served thousands of health facilities, and reached millions of people, especially in rural Africa. In Rwanda, it reduced maternal death rates by ensuring consistent access to blood. In Ghana, it delivered COVID-19 vaccines to over 2,000 health facilities. In Nigeria, it's improving supply chains to entire states like Kaduna and Cross River. But Zipline isn't stopping with healthcare. Their new platform, too, is designed for ultra-precise home delivery, quiet drones that hover and lower packages with robot arms. Perfect for e-commerce, food, and even lab tests. The future of logistics might just come via the skies. From saving lives in remote African villages to reinventing delivery in American suburbs, Zipline is providing one thing. Drones aren't just cool, they are essential.